Good morning, third grade. We're going to discuss the importance of using different resource tools. Why is it essential to use a variety of resource tools? Well, let's take a look. It's very important. If you went to this website, you're going to look up science information. You would not use this website to look up history items, such as the Alamo or the cattle ranch wars. You're not going to use that. You're going to use that for this one for something else. If you go to the encyclopedia, this is where you could type in your search bar anything you want. So, for example, the Alamo. But if you type in the Alamo, you don't know what you're going to get. You could get the Alamo or maybe Alamo rental car. So you'll need to be a little more extensive on that. This is a great website for almost anything. You could look up biography. So if you wanted to look up Snoop Dogg, you type in Snoop Dogg, click on search, and looky here. Again, you have to be specific because this is coming up different. You would probably have to type in Snoop Dogg the Entertainer. You couldn't just type in Snoop Dogg. That's exactly what I was talking about with the Alamo. Here is another website. Now this is for the younger grades. It is Google Safe. So you could type in big cats, maybe wild, and click on the little icon there, and it's going to give you big cats. The reason why I typed in wild is I wanted it to be specifically about wild cats, not just oversized cats. This website could be used for more than just finding out cats. You could also use it for social studies and for science and maybe for some language arts. This one is Fact Monster. Look at this one. This is a great one for social studies. You've got your country maps. You've got timelines you could do, world facts, natural disasters. You have all sorts of things you could use this one for. This one is more for, looks like, social studies. It's really not about science unless you want to consider natural disasters as a part of your science. That is a great resource for that. If you go to Pebble Go, look here, this is a wonderful, you're going to click in, we've already got you signed in. You have your different tabs. This is a fantastic website to search animals, to click on science, biographies, and see it brings it out even further. And
actors and entertainers.
See, and it'll even read it for you. So this is a good website to find out more information over many different topics. And it will also read the articles to you. Kidtopia. This is sort of a broad general. You've got your science, your social studies, the arts, the language arts, biography, animals. If you click on this, I'm clicking on it, you can take you straight to authors, to stories, to fairy tales. But I want to go back and I want to click on, say, biographies. Or what was that? It wasn't biographies. It was animals. It has icons to help you. So if you're struggling with your reading or maybe you forgot your glasses, you could click on one of these and get a little more information. Now this has a video, but it does have some fun facts about sharks. So again, it would help you with your resource. Or research rather. You have Go Gale. Go Gale is another one that you can use for animal research, literature, people, plants. You have an I Wonder. Fabulous resource. You've got your almanac. Now the almanac is more for science. So if you wanted to search about full moons and the phases or watching the sky and the temperature, this is exactly where you're going to go. You are not going to use this for social studies. You are not going to use this for biographies. If we go back and we look at Scholastic, Scholastic is another one. It's a basic, simple research. You click right there and you're going to look at the different options you can do. It's a little more limiting than some of the others. So it's very important to know, what is your topic about? What do you want to know? We have this one as well, Kittl. You're going to type in your information. So what if you wanted to look up plants? Well, plants are sort of generic. So you are going to have to maybe type in Amazon. Oh, I wouldn't type in Amazon. Maybe Texas. And you click that. And look at this. It's going to give you information about Texas plants. And this one has zones. It is very important for you to know why you need to use a variety of resource tools. One size doesn't fit all. You're not going to go to, say, the Fact Monster to look up biographies. Know your topic, and then you can know which resource tool to use. You're not going to use the almanac to find out about animals. Very, very important to know your research tools and to know the different types of resources that you can use. I hope this clarifies what you can use and how you can use it.